We all know Portuguese were the first Europeans to come to India for their trade and last to leave India in the year 1961. During their rule in India, they incorporated some territories like Goa, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli even after the independence of India. Meaning, even after the year 1947, these territories are still with Portuguese. But the liberation of Dadra and Nagar Haveli was different from that of Goa. Let's understand how. In the year 1954, the nationalists and the local groups of Dadra and Nagar Haveli turned down the Portuguese authority in the Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Then it became the Free Dadra and Nagar Haveli. But there was a constitutional problem here. This particular territory was administered separately. This was not incorporated into India's Union and Territories list. For this reason, 10th Constitutional Amendment Act was enacted. It was enacted in the year 1961 and had made three major changes. The first thing, it amended the first schedule of the Constitution, where the first schedule contains the names and territories of India's states and the union territories. With this amendment, Dadra and Nagar Haveli was added into the first schedule of Constitution. The second major change was to Article 240. Originally, Article 240 empowers the Parliament to make regulations to union and territories that were mentioned in the list of Article 240 Clause 1. But this Dadra and Nagar Haveli, which was incorporated into India's territory with first schedule, was not added into the list. For this reason, Article 240 was amended. With this 10th Constitutional Amendment, Dadra and Nagar Haveli was added into the list of 240 Clause 1, meaning from now, President is empowered to make regulations in Dadra and Nagar Haveli even. And third major change was to Article 243 of the Indian Constitution. This amendment inserted the Dadra and Nagar Haveli into the provisions dealing with administration of Union and Territories of India. In the same year, Dadra and Nagar Haveli Act 1961 was also enacted. This act provides for its administration and its representation in the parliament. Importantly, this act provided one seat for Dadra and Nagar Haveli in Lok Sabha. There might be some confusion regarding this. If Dadra and Nagar Haveli was liberated from Portuguese control, why separate constitutional amendment is necessary? Because the political control and constitutional incorporation both are different things. This story did not end with 10th Constitutional Amendment. We know Dadra and Nagar Haveli was made a separate union territory now. Later, under the Dadra and Nagar Haveli Daman and Diu Act 2019, these two territories were incorporated into one. This is all about the 10th Constitutional Amendment Act.